Classical Neapolitan poetry is a treasure of Italian culture, characterized by a rich tradition that dates back centuries. This form of poetry is written in the Neapolitan dialect and reflects the life, emotions, and experiences of the people of Naples. The main characteristics of Neapolitan poetry are as follows. The use of the Neapolitan dialect, which, thanks to its musicality, gives the verses a unique and authentic flavor. The poems often deal with themes such as love, nature, daily life, religion, and nostalgia. The poems can vary from sonnets to songs, with a well-defined structure. One of the most famous Neapolitan poets was Salvatore di Giacomo, born in Naples in 1860. Soon, I will recite one of his most famous poems, Pianoforte e Notte. This poem evokes a nocturnal and melancholic atmosphere, typical of the alleys of Naples when it is dark. The poem describes a piano playing faintly in the night, creating a suspended and nostalgic atmosphere.
Lo pianoforte notte sono lontanamente e la musica si sente per l'aria sospirà. E luna, dormo vica goppa sta nonna, e un motivo antico e tanto tempo fa. Dio, quanta stella in cielo, che luna e caria voce, quanta una bella voce vorrei sentire cantare. Ma solitaria e lenta, moro motiva antica, si fa più cupo vica dall'oscurità. L'anima mia soltanto rimane a sta finestra, aspetta ancora e resta, cantando sa pensare.